You can compare the reaction or activity of a cell under the influence of a pulsating magnetic field with the reaction of a cell that is not influenced by such a force. We can definitely say that the cell's energy potential can be manipulated.
Dann sagt es noch nicht so viel aus für das Gesamtsystem, aber immerhin wissen wir, dass der Zellenergiehaushalt beeinflussbar ist.
An interesting result. The influence of pulsating magnetic fields is measurable and can therefore be tested. But this is only the beginning. More tests will follow in a European-wide study, initiated by the manufacturers and developers. Our body is a concert of swinging fields. One false sound disturbs the harmony. Pulsating magnetic fields can help to maintain this harmony.
The healing process comes with the regeneration of all body cells. Therefore, this device should be used for long-term treatments. The blood values improve after about 2 weeks, but it will take 4 to 6 weeks to reach a real stability. For prophylaxis, we recommend a regular use of the device.
Everyone wants to stay healthy and vital, but for most people, the conditions are far from optimal. Hectic lifestyle and stress, on the job or in everyday life, increasing pollution, malnutrition, all of that takes its toll on the human organism. The body begins to defend itself against these influences. The result? Various disorders and illnesses, a vicious circle.
I heard
that the mat improves the immune system. And since I regularly suffered from colds, I started using the device. But after 6 weeks, I found out something that was much more important to me. For years, I had suffered from sleeping disorders. It was so bad that I was totally wound up all day long. Suddenly, I realized that I could sleep through the whole night. For me, that is a terrific result. Pulsating magnetic fields can help improve the cell's energy balance. The immune system is strengthened, lost energy regained. This helps us face the demands of everyday life. And besides, the regained energy lets us feel better and enjoy life even more. A car with a powerful engine needs high-quality fuel. Our organism can indeed be compared to a high-powered engine. Without the proper fuel, our performance level decreases. The quantum resonance system enables us to refuel. 2 times, 8 minutes per day. Not much effort compared to the effect. There has been extensive press coverage. Several TV stations reported on the quantum resonance system.
Die heilende Kraft des Magnetfeldes ist der Menschheit seit mehr als 2000 Jahren
In
bekannt.
its show Health Today, the news channel NTV reported extensively on the history of magnetic field therapy, as well as the practical uses of the quantum resonance system. NTV especially focused on the fact that the device can be used for therapy as well as in preventive medicine.
Zur Behandlung von Krankheiten als auch in der Vorsorgemedizin eingesetzt wird.
The ORB, a TV station in Brandenburg, which can be viewed in all of Germany via cable, reported on a study at the Electrophysics Institute in Wuppertal. The influence of different electromagnetic field strengths was tested on 700 people. After 6 months, the blood tests proved the physical effects. The head of the research team on the results: the blood analysis shows tremendous effects in most of the cases. Some of the blood samples showed high acid levels. After a few weeks, the level was back to normal. Also, the blood showed a higher concentration of oxygen, magnesium, and calcium. And even the cholesterol level was lower.
Die Cholesterinwerte sanken. Tendenzen, die von den Medizinern positiv bewertet werden. Manche Ergebnisse sind nun wirklich ganz erstaunlich. Herr Professor Lechner, Sie
In a
haben
show on ARD, also a nationwide broadcasting company, Professor Lechner demonstrates a spectacular success of magnetic field therapy.
Das war ein Riesenzelltumor der Speiche, und zwar des handgelenknahen Teils der Speiche.
One of his patients suffered from a tumor that had already destroyed parts of the wrist's bone structure. The patient suffered from strong pain. The wrist was completely swollen, but still she refused to undergo surgery. However, she did allow the removal of some tissue for tests. Doctors advised her to try magnetic field therapy. She did, with a tremendous result. After about 6 months, the patient recovered. The bone structure was almost back to normal. An operation was no longer necessary. The magnetic fields had caused a complete reconstruction of the bone.
Sie sind also, haben da nichts hineingesetzt, ausschließlich das Magnetfeld.
The quantum signal is an important key, the main bioelectrical key for the cell membrane. It could also be the key to vitality and health.